Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'd like to give you an up-close look at one of my page kits. This is the Baby Mine Baby Winnie the Pooh page kit number 82. And I just wanted to show, and yes, this is my baby in the cute little Winnie the Pooh outfit. I purchased this beautiful white rug at Hobby Lobby and took some pictures of her. Here's the title, and I've used dimensional foam squares to pop it up. Here's the other side. Here's Pooh sleeping after his meal. And in these spaces right here, I'm thinking I'll probably put the date, probably pretty much just the date and how old she is here. Okay, so that's the page. Now you can purchase the kit to make this in my Etsy shop, and I will post the link below this video. So this is what comes in your kit. So your kit will come to you like this. You get full color instructions. And I'm going to open it up here for you. Okay, so those are the instructions you get with your kit. You will receive 2 solid background pieces. Now you'll just have to trim off the barcode so that they're a 12 by 12. The barcode strip at the top, trim that off. And then your background, the decorative paper background. Now these you will have to trim to 11 3/4 square, and that is in your instructions as well. So you only have to cut 2 sides. So I always cut the barcode off first, measure it 11 3/4, cut, and then rotate it 11 3/4 and cut. So you just have to cut 2 sides of each background piece. Here are the photo mats that you receive in your kit, and then you'll just trim your photo, just measure this and then trim your photo 1/4 inch smaller, and that creates that nice 1/8 inch border around your photo. So here are the pieces that you'll receive in your kit. So this is for the Pooh, and then all of the little pieces here, and you can view paper piecing videos on my channel as well. There isn't a paper piecing video for this particular kit, but there are other ones. So here's the other pieces that go on there, and this one. So that's everything that comes in your kit. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, that it was helpful. If you have any comments, please leave them below, or questions. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, please click the subscribe button and click that bell for notifications. And I will be posting more videos shortly. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.